Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Brave browser not opening in 2026. First, if Brave isn't opening properly, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, search for Brave. If Brave browser is running in the background, select it and click End Task. This closes any stuck Brave processes that may prevent the browser from opening. Now launch Brave browser again. If Brave opens and displays the welcome screen, click Finish to complete the setup. If the problem continues, restart your computer and try opening Brave again. You can also right-click the Brave shortcut and choose Run as administrator. If Brave still doesn't open, download and install the latest version of Brave browser. Reinstalling the browser can replace damaged files and resolve startup issues. Finally, launch Brave once more to make sure it opens normally. That's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Brave browser not opening. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.